Can you help me? I want to be beautiful, but I am really ugly. The prince is inviting all the people to his castle. He's choosing a wife.
There's a witch in the forest. You can find her. She will help you.
Thank you very much. I am going to find her. Bye. I am going to the forest. I am almost there. Oh no, I am lost.
Hi, can I help you?
Yes, please help me. I'm lost. I want to go to meet the witch.
Sure, I can help you. Just go in front, then turn left, and go in front, then turn right. Then you will be there.
Thank you very much.
Hi, may I help you?
Please help me, I want to be beautiful.
Sure, but you must repay me.
Okay, I will repay you.
Okay, wait a moment. I haven't made the drink.
Okay.
Here, drink this and you will become beautiful.
Okay, drinks. Ew, it tastes super bad.
Wait a minute and you will be beautiful.
Thank you very much.
Okay, bye. Remember to repay me.
I won't forget to repay you, and thank you very much.
Oh my god. You look so beautiful.
Here you go, a piece of bread because you helped me just now.
Thanks, noom delicious.
Let me go to the prince palace.
I will pick Princess Anita.
Yeah. And they lived happy forever together.